I explained in the first video that we get mainly the wool from the sheep that we use, but there are other animals also from which the wool can be obtained. As yak, I gave the example, which is in the hilly regions of Tibet and Ladakh. It is found there, and the people of Tibet and Ladakh use the wool made out of the yak's hair. Now we'll start the new topic: animals that yield wool. Several breeds of sheep are found in different parts of our country. However, the fleece of sheep is not the only source of wool, though wool commonly available in the market is sheep wool. Yak wool is common in Tibetan Ladakh. Mohir is obtained from the Angora goats, which are found in the hilly regions of Jammu and Kashmir. Now, there are different types of breeds of animals which give the wool, from whose fleece or the hair wool is obtained. As normally from the sheep, say the wool that we use or which is available in the market, we get it from the sheep. But then yak's wool, as I explained, told you that people of Tibet and Ladakh use the hair of the yak to make the wool out of it. Then mohir is another type of wool that is found in the mainly we find it in the region of hilly regions of Jammu and Kashmir, high regions of Jammu and Kashmir, where we have the Angora goats. It is one of the types of goats that are found in the hilly regions. Now you can see these Angora goats. Normal goats don't have that much of hair, but these are the Angora goats. You can see its whole body is covered with the hair to protect them from the cold. So the hair of this goat is used to make the um, wool out of it. Now, wool is obtained from the goat hair. The underfur of the Kashmiri goat is soft. Now, this Angora goat is found in the hilly regions of Kashmir, and the under hair means the hair which is close to the skin are very soft, very very soft. So, out of which is the shawls are woven, which is very famous as the Pashmina shawls. From the hair of this Angora goat are the shawls. From the soft hair of the Angora goats are the shawls woven, and they are known as the Pashmina shawls, which is famous worldwide. It is found only in the Kashmir. It is made only in the Kashmir and is distributed or it is sold worldwide. The fur or the hair of the body of camel is also used as wool. Llama and alpaca found in South Africa also yields the wood. Now you can see here the camel. The hair of the camel is also used as wool in the desert region, because in desert region only the camels is the animal which is most commonly available. So hair of camel is also used to make the wool out of it. Then there are certain animals, like this is the llama and this is the alpaca, which is found in the south of Africa. In the southern Africa, South America, these animals are found, which also yields the wool. These are the animals which are not found in India. It is only the Southern America that these animals are found, and their wool or the hair is used to make the wool out of it. You can see these two animals. These are the new animals for us. Now there's an activity out of it. Collect pictures of animals whose hair is used to make wool. Stick them in your scrapbook. If you are unable to get the pictures, try to draw them from the ones given in the book. Now what you have to do, this activity you also have to do, that you have in your project book, you have to paste the stickers of the animals which gives us wool. You can find this on the net also. You can take out the pictures from the net also, or you can just simply get the stickers of it and paste them in your project book. This is your project work that you have to do, that you have to paste the pictures of animals which give us wool, Indian as well as the foreign animals which gives the wool. Now we move on to the next page number 26. Now from fiber to wool. How from fibers to wool, how from the fiber the wool is obtained. For obtaining wool, sheep are reared, the hair is cut and processed into wool. Let us learn this whole process. Now, how the hair from the sheep that we get is cut and processed, and then the wool is formed. This is the whole process that is explained now. First step is rearing and breeding of the sheep. If you travel to the hills of Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttaranchal, Arunachal Pradesh and Sikkim, or the plains of Haryana, Punjab, Rajasthan, and Gujarat, you can see the shepherds taking their herds of sheep for grazing. Sheep are herbivorous and prefer grass and leaves. Apart from grazing sheep, rearers also feed them a mixture of pulses, corn, jowar, oil cakes, that is material. What are oil cakes? Material left after taking out oil from the seeds, and minerals. In winter, sheep are kept indoors and fed on leaves, grains, and dry fodder.